Hello, today we will guide you through how to invite another person to Tailscale. To get started, open the Tailscale admin console and go to the Machines page. This is a good starting point because it places you inside the main administrative area of your Tailscale network, where you can manage devices, users, and access settings. If you are already signed in, this page should load directly and show the machines currently connected to your Tailnet. Once you are in the admin console, look to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and click on Users. This section is where Tailscale lets you manage who has access to your network. If you're inviting someone new, this is the correct place to do it, since user invitations and permissions are handled here rather than from the Machines view. Inside the Users page, click on Invite External Users. This option is specifically meant for bringing in someone who is not already part of your existing organization or team. In other words, if you need to give access to another person outside your current user list, this is the path you will use. After that, choose Invite via email. This lets Tailscale send an invitation directly to the person you want to add. Using email is usually the easiest method because it gives the recipient a clear way to accept the invitation and join with the correct account. Next, select the appropriate role. The role you choose determines what level of access the invited person will have. Take a moment here to make sure you assign the right permissions for what they need to do. It is always a good idea to give the minimum level of access necessary, especially if this person only needs limited visibility or specific capabilities. Then, enter the person's email address in the email field. Make sure the address is typed correctly before moving on, since the invitation will be sent there. A small typo can prevent the recipient from getting access and may delay the process. Finally, click Invite. Once you do that, Tailscale will send the invitation email to the address you entered. From there, the recipient can open the message, follow the sign-up or join instructions, and complete the process on their side. And that's it. You have successfully invited another person to Tailscale. If needed, you can return to the Users section later to review pending invitations or confirm that the user has joined successfully.